last video we have seen the diamagnetic substance and their properties. Okay, now in this video, paramagnetic substance and their properties. Firstly, define the paramagnetic substance. Okay, paramagnetic substance is defined as, that is, firstly draw the figures. This is the point B and this is this M. Now the definition of paramagnetic substance. Okay, now this paramagnetic substance is defined as the weakly. This substance are these definitions. Okay, this substance is weakly magnetized. What? Weakly magnetized in the direction of magnetic field okay, is known as the paramagnetic substance. That is, the paramagnetic substance is defined as this substance is weakly magnetized in the direction of magnetic field. That is the same direction. See these figures. Okay, same direction. This is the paramagnetic substance. Now the properties of paramagnetic substance. Okay, now these properties. Properties first of this paramagnetic substance. First property, this substance is a weakly magnetized. That is, weakly magnetized in the direction of magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field. Now the second properties of paramagnetic substance, this substance weakly attracted. Okay, this substance weakly attracted by magnetic field. Okay, now the third properties of paramagnetic substance. Magnetic susceptibility of paramagnetic substance is small and positive. Okay, magnetic susceptibility of this substance is small and positive. Now the fourth properties of paramagnetic substance. Every atom is a magnetic dipole. Okay, every atom is a magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole having a resultant magnetic moment. Okay, magnetic moment. Now the fifth properties of paramagnetic moment. Magnetic moment of all atom is oriented. In magnetic moment, this of all atoms is oriented randomly. Okay, randomly. Now the six properties of paramagnetic substance. These substance remains unmagnetized state. These substance is remain unmagnetized unmagnetized this unmagnetized state. Okay, this is the paramagnetic substance and their properties, and this bit is a completely 3 marks bit.